Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Hey, today to get ready for Thanksgiving, I was thinking that we could make something for your table, or maybe a side table or something like that. So we're gonna, I love making lanterns. So this is turkey-ish. We're using an old jar and some tissue paper, and then we can put this battery-powered candle in, and it would look nice on your table. Maybe it could be a gift for some family member that you don't get to see this year. Be nice. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So we took this old jar, got the labels off, and then used our wonderful gluey water, which again is half glue, half water. I brushed some on the, see how my fingers are in here? That's so I can hold it. That might be a little bit difficult for you. You could just put it on the table. I just try not to get it all over the place. So I'm putting some white tissue paper on because that'll look nice with the light coming through. I'm going to do that all the way around, and then I'm going to go back over the tissue paper to make sure it really seals right on there. So I'm going to do this very quickly. Oops, see, I've already spilled. Remember to always cover your workspace. We have on our table, we always have this white paper, or sometimes we have old newspaper on. We put things on this table to protect the surface because Miss Hazel and I tend to do a lot of messy things in here that you've probably seen on our videos. So I'm going to just do a quick coat of the gluey water right back over this. And then I'm going to show you what I did next. Now you could use, for the turkey part, you could use construction paper if you have dark brown tissue paper, that would be good. I use this unbleached coffee filter, and I cut a circle and put that one right there for his body. Oh, you know something interesting? We have wild turkeys in our neighborhood. I think we've talked about those before, have we, Miss Hazel?
Yeah.
They're the family's getting really big. Those turkeys are everywhere. They're very funny. Some neighbors don't like them because they eat the plants, but I think they're really funny.
We've watched them grow up. First they were tiny babies, and now they're big, like almost grown-ups. They're like teenagers for sure.
Yeah, a bunch of teenagers running around our neighborhood. Okay, so then I ripped some orange tissue paper to make it look sort of feathery. I'm going to put those, oops, that was a little bit long. And I'll just fold it like that. And I'm going to put that around to show the turkey feathers. When the daddy turkey stands up and is like letting everyone know he's there, his feathers go out like this. He's very funny. But we can't really be friends because, they're wild animals. So here are my feathers there. I cut a piece of, oh, you know what I forgot was his gobble. Okay, I cut a piece of red for his beak, and then I forgot to cut a little piece of red, which I have over here, to make his gobble, because the thing that comes down like that, called the gobble. I think that's what it's called, isn't it? So I'm going to cut sort of a funny squiggly shape.
Oh, that looks good.
And then that one might be too long. Okay, and I'm going to put that right over, like down here on him. And again, I'm going to go back over this with the glue just to make sure that it's all sealed in there. And then I'm going to let it dry. And when it's all dry, then I'm going to take, like I did here, I took a permanent marker and I just drew two little eyes for him right there. And then it's sort of a fun little thing to have on your Thanksgiving table. Or like I said, you can give it as a gift to someone that maybe you're not going to see for Thanksgiving. I don't know. Anyway, thank you so much. Glad you came to visit us today. Don't forget about our game. If you're watching this and you see the shells behind us and they're different from a different video, send us an email and tell us what you saw that was different, and we will send you something in the mail. Okay? All right, thanks everyone. If you made one of these, please send a photo to either to our email or hashtag Alameda Arts Fun on Instagram so that we can see your good work. Okay, happy Thanksgiving everyone. See you soon. Bye.
Bye friends.